Aloha, I want to show you how to make a furrow kind spam musubi as it is made in Hawaii, since it's a Hawaii dish and I'm made in Hawaii as well. So you take your nori, you want a can of spam and some cooked rice. You want some oyster sauce, scrambled eggs, and furikake. And yes, you need a double musubi maker if you want it to look pretty, otherwise it'll look plain ugly. So this is what a spam musubi will look like at the end. So I like to scramble my eggs and then you set it aside. Then you fry your spam, and you don't need to make special sauce, just oyster sauce is good. I like to mix my furikake and my scrambled eggs in with my rice. Then you take your double musubi maker, you place it on your single sheet of nori. I like to put my spam on the nori because it's not as messy. Then you fold it over the rice after you put the rice on. Add a little rice to keep it from unfolding, and then you wrap it in saran wrap or something similar, and it's that easy. There's your spam musubi. Easy to make, really yummy, and like I said, it's a Hawaii dish, and I am from Hawaii, and I am Hawaiian as well, and I wanted to show you how to make it properly the way that we do it here. Okay, aloha!